Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Today we have 2000 and from 8, 9, 10, 11, I believe, Jaguar the model is XF. We put a charger here. We have a problem in this car. The problem is whenever you start this car, everything starts good. You see, like right now I have the key. You see the car start good. Guess what? I just pushed the brake and the car start. I don't know why. Maybe okay, let me see now. I'm gonna push the brake. The car start. Perfect. Security light is on. Look here. Car is starting. If I turn the light on, the car will shut off. Even the parking light. Just parking light. See, car is off. Ignition low. Now you see, now it start blinking, flicking. You see everything like flicking by itself. Just by putting, yes. But I turn the key, ignition. Look here, I noticed something. When I turn the key, ignition here, like this, just parking light, ignition is gonna turn on. You see?
Yeah.
And if I push the brake, the car start.
Yeah.
You understand? So
this is the problem we were seeing.
yes. So this, you see, like blinking, flicking, and the parking light. If you don't have the parking light on, right now, I turn the parking light off. I push the brake because the ignition even is commanding the starter.
Yeah.
It's commanding the startability. It's commanding the starter. That's mean. And if I turn it on now, right now, the car will shut off. See, the car shut off.
Yeah.
And it's still flicking like, okay, maybe the parking light is connecting with the accessory. You see now, I push the brake, the car starts and try to stay there, or it's turned off just by pushing the brake. That means there is something that interface. I don't know what, but this car have any sound system?
The sound system it has, yeah.
You have,
it doesn't work.
Somebody put sound system?
It doesn't work, no.
No, is anybody put an
No, it's
okay.
original. This is the sound system there.
Yeah, okay.
That doesn't work.
Yeah, okay, I got you.
Maybe we disconnect this.
Yeah, because you see now I push the brake just by pushing the brake, putting the light on, pushing the brake, the ignition. Now the car gonna start. You see? It's very, 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 very weird. So we changed the body control module. It doesn't solve the problem. So this car, it may have something that we need to spend some time. This body control module, if you change it, the car will not start again. You have to use a Jaguar tool to do a target identifier. Target identifier with a Jaguar. I'm just making some of my videos with your laptop. You have to have a laptop on it. But the main problem is not this. We program the computer, we program the body control module, but we still have this issue. Please, I'm not sure about it, but if anyone there have any idea or what need to be done, please give us help. We need all. If you see this video, please send it to anyone around us in the community who know or who have this problem before. As I show you, you come inside the car. You come inside the car. Both body control module, we replace them. Nothing happened. Okay, you turn the key off. Okay, I didn't. Okay, forget about it. Just turn the headlight on. Car shut off. Now it's gonna turn on by itself. Look here. And if you push the brake, the car will start, but it will shut off. Okay, ignition is on now. Turn this off. You push the brake, the car will start. Turn it off from here, car is off. Now let's show you something else. Start the car. Let me see high beam. High beam, you have no problem. High beam is good. But parking, hey, this problem is coming from the parking light.
The battery light?
Parking light, only parking light.
Parking light.
Yeah, because look here, high beam, nothing happen.
Yeah.
Even that means in order.
Wipers, turn on the wipers.
Wiper? Where is the wiper?
Service.
Wiper also if you do it?
Yeah.
Wiper is good. You see, I turn the wiper, everything is good. Turn it off. But this one here is with a parking light. You see right now, maybe parking light interfere with the shifter. Okay. But this problem here is in the parking light. Parking light. You need to deal with the parking light. Look here. Wiper is good. Wiper is good. Wiper working, no problem. Everything good. But as soon as you put the parking light, maybe the parking circuit interfere with somewhere, whether in the transmission, whether in this module here, because this module also have a light in the night, right? When you put the parking light.
When you turn on the car, when you turn on the lights, those lights come on.
And it controls this one.
Right.
So maybe something happened in
Once
this.
you turn on the car, it pops up.
Yeah, I know, but even if you don't know, when the car is started, it pop up. Maybe there is a wire that gets shorted here. But I just realized that you go all the way, 1, 2, 3, the car will shut off.
Yeah.
So that means if you put the high beam, it will not shut off. Low beam will not shut off. So a shut off is a signal. So you go to get the parking light circuit and disable the parking light circuit.
That's what I did.
You disable it?
Yeah, we got to there.
No, it's not enough there.
No, now I know it's not there.
Yeah, so maybe just the signals that going from here.
This is new, the switch.
I know the signal.
Brand new.
I know the signals that going from here to the body control module.
So inside that wire.
Yeah, inside that one maybe it's crossed with something.
Yeah.
So
the
that
ground is off somewhere.
Or ground or
But
something.
I checked all the grounds already.
Yeah,
all
so-
the grounds, but I'm gonna double check it again.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put this video now in my channel, and I call everybody there to send and call and see what's going on. If we can get any solution, please let us know. This is Mobile Electronic Diagnostic, Mohamed Idris Harun, and thank you for watching. And please share, subscribe, and let everybody know, please, and come up with a comment to solve this problem. Even this switch is being changed. Thank you.